Car Doctor Nation, Ron Ananian here. Working on an 04 Volkswagen TDI diesel car today. No air conditioning operation, and mysteriously it happened after we had changed this hose that you see here a couple of weeks back. You always got to take a customer at their word. You're always obligated to check your work. We went back over it, found nothing, so now I've got to diagnose the AC. Why is the AC compressor not working? So, if you look at this, I'm not sure if you can see it, but if you look way down yonder, you'll see the compressor. It's kind of burnt over there. Danny's going to turn the button on in a minute. I'm going to get my assistant 1 second. But you can see the compressor clutch looks kind of beat up, right? So a real simple test. It's looking for 4 ohms of resistance on this particular car across the AC compressor clutch to actually know that it's safe to turn on and apply voltage. What happens is the fan controller, which sits down here under the battery, all right, is a module. It's looking at resistance value of the compressor clutch to know whether or not it's safe to just try and turn the compressor on. It sends out a signal. It looks for a correct voltage drop response. It didn't see it. And what really got me was when I measured it on the voltmeter, I was seeing 12.2 volts, even with the engine running. So it's sending out, it's a bias voltage in a sense. It's sending out a signal but not applying enough of a voltage to operate the compressor because it doesn't see proper response back from the clutch in the way of resistance value. So gee, I've got to put some sort of load in there. Thank God for old school round headlights, right gang? I've got it tapped in. I've also got my voltmeter applied. Mr. Dan, if you will, turn on the air conditioning. What I just proved, other than I can blind you with a video, is, let me see, why aren't we getting voltage here? Oh, here we go. Our lead fell apart. All right, so there we go. Turn the AC off, Danny. Turn it on. So we just proved the whole circuit works with the use of our light here. All right, we've got a bad compressor clutch. It's as simple as that. The control module is, you can turn it off now, Danny. The control module is seeing a resistance value. It's applying voltage. We're done. Diagnosis. Bang, zoom, real quick and simple. Took a little research to get to this point, but hopefully this saves you some time and trouble. It's that simple. Applied voltage to a load. It's working. The component's bad, whatever that might be. In this case, it's an AC compressor clutch, and now it's a customer decision. So, hope you enjoyed it. Find more information about us at cardoctorshow.com. Till the next time, I'm Ron Ananian The Car Doctor. I'll see you on radio.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ron Ananian The Car Doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again. Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.